Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about how to update your profile on APS Digicamp ID. Before we start, I would like to tell you that it will be more convenient if you do it on your desktop or laptop. Even if you have to do it on your mobile, then open the app in the desktop view. And one more important thing is before you start doing the updation in your profile, you have to collect three things and get a pic of that and save it in your device. And these three documents are Aadhaar card, PAN card, and your stamp size photograph. It should be a colored photograph. So store these three things in your device before you start updating your profile. And for updating, you have to log in first of all. So let's begin with login. Once you log in, you can see here on the left hand side all the buttons, all the options available, and out of this you have to click on HRMS. When you click on this option, you will reach to another page, and here on workways option you will get the profile option. So click on this. You will get two options, profile and attendance, and click on profile option. When you click on profile option, you will reach to the profile page where it is showing all the information about you under different heads. And to update all these informations, you have to click here to update. When you click on this, you will reach to another page, and this page is telling you all the detailed information about your profile. And first and the most important thing is to provide your Aadhaar number here, and any other change if it is required to be done, click on that option. It will provide you the list of all the available options, and you have to select the most appropriate option to provide your correct information. Select out of that, and once the changes have been done, you have to click on the save button to save your information. So this way you will get a message of successfully saving the information. Then click on the next button, communication. You have to provide permanent address and the correspondence address. Check it properly. If change is required, do it and click on the save button to save it. Then same way you have to provide qualification information, family information. When you click on family, you will see nothing is written here. That means you have to provide all the information here. So provide all the information and click on save button. Then come to the document option. There is a big list of documents, but out of this big list, you have to provide only three documents. First is stamp size color photograph. So first check in this box, means select this box. Then select the date, expected date and the submission date. Then choose the file which you have already saved in your device. So I am selecting my photo. This way. And it is being uploaded now. Then come to the next document to be uploaded, that is Aadhaar card. Again select this box. Then provide the date of expectation and date of submission. Then choose the file which you have already saved in your device. I am selecting my Aadhaar card from here. Open and being uploaded. Then the third is PAN card. Check this box. Date expecting and date submission. Provide both the dates. Then choose file from your device. So I am selecting my PAN card here. Now it is being uploaded. Once it is done, you have to click on receive button. This is must. When you click on the receive button, then only actually it is being uploaded and confirming it that document received successfully. Now you can see all this download option is also getting activated. This way you can check once again whether you have provided it correctly or not, and then you can click on receive. That is making sure that you have provided and uploaded everything correctly. Last thing, click on consolidate profile. It is giving you again the complete information of your profile. check it properly. If any change is required, then go back, otherwise it's fine. Your profile updation is done. So this way we can update our profile on APS Digicamp. So thank you everyone.